as I said, ladies, you have embraced yourselves in real and real, traveled the road less traveled, as they say. So, as Whoopi Goldberg said, an actress can only play a woman. As an actor, I can play anything. And all of you have done that. So, I will start with Neena ji, who back in the day had put a telling post which said, that I'm an actor and I'm looking for good roles. So Neena ji, आपसे शुरू करती हूँ. How far have each one of you gone to make a director and a producer convince and realize your true worth?
ये तो बड़ा मुश्किल सवाल है, कन्विंस कैसे करें. कन्विंस देखो, ये एक बिजनेस है ना, फिल्म OTT ये सब बिजनेस है. जब मैं नई आई थी तो मुझे समझ नहीं था ये बिजनेस है. मैं बड़ा इमोशनली इस काम को लेती थी. अब मुझे समझ में आ गई ये बिजनेस है. अगला आपको तभी लेगा जब उसके बिजनेस में आप फिट बैठते हैं, है ना. उसको आपको लेने से फ़ायदा होता है तो तभी आपको लेता है. उसमें कोई इमोशनल बात नहीं है कि इसने मेरे को नहीं लिया. उसका जो पूरा स्ट्रक्चर बन रहा था उसमें आप फिट बैठते तो वो लेता है. अभी मैं इस उम्र में आकर अभी मुझे इतना पता है कि मैं अपना काम अच्छा करूँगी. मुझे इतना ही करना है, मुझे अपना काम अच्छा करना है. और पहले मैं बहुत शाय थी कि मुझे ऐसा लगता था जब मैं आई थी नई एक बड़ा रोल करूँगी और लोग भागे भागे आएंगे मेरे घर पे, बेल बजाएंगे कि नीना जी अच्छा रोल आया. ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो उसके लिए आपको जाना, आपको बेल बजानी पड़ती है. तो वो बेल बजाना मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा सीख गई हूँ अब. और मैं कोई प्रोजेक्ट भी करती हूँ तो मुझे मैं फ़ोन करती हूँ बार बार, रशीज़ आए देखे. वो मैं अब सीख गई हूँ थोड़ा थोड़ा. प्लस अब तो सिर्फ यही है कि मैं अपनी सेहत का ख्याल रखूँ और जितना हो सके उतना कंसंट्रेट करके अच्छा काम करूँ.
Awesome, ma'am. I mean, you lead by example, and then I have Mithila and Shayani. What about you? What is your take? Has it been tough or has it been relatively easy?
I mean, I think while starting out, that's one advice that I generally got. Like she rightly said, that you have to ask. And that was something I don't know if I was scared to ask because I was a little worried about getting rejected. So I never went to ask any, like this entire thing about, yeah, you should meet a director and say that I'd like to work with you. And there really is nothing wrong with that. It just took me some time to say it out loud. I don't know. I had my own inhibitions about it. I never was shy of working hard. I don't think any of us were or are. And I don't think there is any discount to that. But at the same time, there's no harm in actually going up to someone and saying, hey, I like your work and I'd like to work with you sometime. So that took me a while, but I think my journey has been very organic in that sense because I have gotten all my work through auditions. So I have auditioned several times to finally then the 50th audition I probably cracked and then got that one ad. That was my first job. So it was a very organic journey. I don't think that, I went up to anybody to convince them to, because I was like, I don't have anything to showcase my talent. I have to show you some kind of a reel to say that, this is what I can do. And my auditions and the thing is that I was never acting professionally. So for me, even to know that I'm capable of doing this, I took some time to get there myself. And before that, I didn't want to go up to someone and say, हाँ, अभी मुझे actor बनना है, आप ले लो आपकी movie में. तो वो confidence मुझे भी अपने आप में build करने के लिए time लगा. So I think it just happened on its own. Whatever happened.
जी. Shani.
Actually, यार मैं पूछ नहीं पाती हूँ और
we all have the same problem.
Yeah, and also because I come from film school. I am of the opinion, and that might change. Okay, everything I'm saying might change in another 2 years, 5 years, because we're also evolving as human beings. So our approach towards, how we deal with people and work is different and is going to evolve with time. But I feel that if a filmmaker wants you, it's his prerogative or her prerogative to think about you or see you in that part and or you audition and then you come to it. But when an actor approaches, it's a inorganic process to filmmaking. And I mean, my approach towards filmmaking and the way I look at film and cinema is that I would hate it if an actor came to me and said, you know, I'm like, no, it's not your job to tell me whether I want to take you or not. You know, just do the job you're getting. But having said that, I have heard, and like Neena ji was saying, that around in our industry, apparently, and a lot of people do tell us that, you know, there's nothing wrong in asking, you know, and out of sight, out of mind, and if you don't, and sometimes also you have to, you know, probably massage people's egos, or even if you don't go that far, it's always nice to ask someone or tell someone that you would like to work with him or her. But I have not been able to do it. And I find it like, you know, I have a lot of filmmaker friends, and I always feel that, and some of them I would love to work with. But I feel that, you know, if I ever say it, it will affect the friendship, and it would become a little awkward, and I don't know how to put it. So I've never been able to do it, and it's not an ego thing. It's just, I just feel very, very uncomfortable.
I totally
But, and having said that, most of the parts, like, you know, honestly, when you come to Bombay, you audition, and you keep auditioning with the utmost integrity, and then one audition, even if you don't get that, you know, particular role, you get something else through that audition, you know, like, you know, so as long as you're doing that, and of course, most of the parts I've gotten are through auditions, or people who have wanted to work with me have cast me in these parts, and it's happened very, very organically till now, touch wood, and I feel, yeah, I really believe, and I'm a little philosophical about this, that समय से पहले और किस्मत से ज़्यादा किसी को कुछ नहीं मिलता है, जो लिखा हुआ है वो होगा. There's no point pushing it, you know. But again, having said that, maybe in 5 years, I would think about it in a different way, and I don't know.
No, but I want to tell you something. I had the same problem.
Yeah.
I have so many friends who are directors, producers, actors. But I said, इनको तो पता है ना मैं अच्छा काम करती हूँ, तो why I have to tell them? They will take. So I was working in a series with this very good writer. I did a lot of work. He was always there present. And then one day he was making a film. And I came to know that was my age group role, and a very nice role. And he didn't take me. I called him. He was in London at that time. I called him. And जैसी मैं हूँ मुफत type. So I called him and I said, मेरे को क्यों नहीं दिया ये role? He says, shit, मैं बिल्कुल मेरे दिमाग से उतर गया. You see? So दिमाग से उतर जाता है, आप 10 चीज़ें कर रहे होते हैं, तो एक रिमाइंडर जो होता है वो ज़रूरी होता है. आई नो इट्स वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट. अब मुझे अभी भी बहुत तकलीफ होती है जाके कहने में. But since you are much younger girls, I think you should do it.
I'm taking notes. Pooja, thank you for bringing this up, because after this, we would both sit with Neena ji and learn the ropes of this business.
Absolutely. And learn the ropes from Inayat also.
इनायत,
Yeah,
अब
yeah,
हाँ, इनायत.
नहीं, कुछ चीजें इनसे, कुछ चीजें उनसे.
हम दोनों बस शिष्य हैं यहाँ पे, हम सिर्फ सीखने आए.
बताओ इनायत, आपके लिए कैसा चल रहा है वैसे? आप तो आई एम श्योर रिजेक्ट करती होगी लोगों को कि अभी टाइम नहीं है, स्कूल जाना है, ये नहीं करूंगी मैं. ऐसे ही होता है.
अच्छा, अगर कोई मुझे पूछता है कि आपको ये करना है कि नहीं,
हाँ.
तो अगर डेट्स फिक्स होती हो तब मेरा स्कूल बहुत सपोर्टिंग है ना, तो वो ऐसे कुछ नहीं कहते. वो अगर मैं फाइनल एग्जाम्स भी ना दूँ तो वो कहते हैं आप आके दे देना. तो फिर
आप
इसीलिए
डिसाइड करते हो वैसे आपको क्या करना है कि ये अच्छा है, ये नहीं करूंगी, ऐसा है?
नहीं, एक बार मैं ऑडिशन भी, हाँ नहीं, मैं नहीं डिसाइड करती. कभी कभी अगर वो मुझे बताए ऐसा करना है, तो अगर मेरे को वो हो कि मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी तो मैं बोल देती हूँ ये नहीं, मैं ये कर ही नहीं पाऊंगी. जब मुझे पता है उसमें मेरा अच्छा ही नहीं आएगा तो क्या फ़ायदा करने का. तो फिर
Wow,
मैं
यार, just
Wow,
wow. My God.
We all need to learn that, because हम सब ना अपने को पुश करते हैं, चैलेंज रखते हैं कि क्यों नहीं करें.
अगर
Even if
बताऊं,
we fail.
मैं आपको एक और बात बताऊंगी. समझो कि मुझे एक ऐड करनी है, ठीक है, वो ऐड है, तो साथ ही एक दूसरे भैया या दीदी का भी फ़ोन आता है कि ये ऐड भी करनी है, और इतनी सारी डेट्स हो जाती है. तो अगर आप सब कुछ ऐसे पकड़ लोगे फिर वो सब कुछ छूट जाएगा, क्योंकि आपके पास डेट्स ही नहीं होगी कुछ करने की, मैनेज नहीं होगा. तो
My
फिर
God. हम सबकी अम्मा हूँ.
हाँ बोल.
हाँ, तो जो आपको करना है वो ऐसा करो कि आपको मैनेज भी हो जाए, और ऐसे भी ना हो कि ऐसे हो जाए वो कि ये भी लिया. मतलब जो लेना है वो लो. फिर ये नहीं कि सब कुछ ही ले लिया. जो आप कर सकते हो वो करो.
Chaos हो जाएगा.
चलो, lesson learned, not to be greedy.
Yeah.
I mean, star.
Not to be
And now again, I'm going to start with Neena ji. I mean, your career. I mean, आपने एक बहुत अच्छी फोटो लगाई थी Ben Kingsley के साथ अब, and then you also were the face of parallel cinema जब शुरू हुआ था, Mandy and all those films. But आजकल women-centric movies are no longer art house. How do you perceive the statement?
Thank God they are not, because मैं जब श्याम बेनेगल और इन लोगों के साथ काम करती थी तब उस सिनेमा को आर्ट फिल्म कहा जाता था. अब मुझे लगता है एक अजीब सा बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग कॉम्बिनेशन लोग बना रहे हैं जिसमें आर्ट और कमर्शियल जो उस वक्त कहा जाता था, अभी वर्ड यूज़ कर रहे हैं क्योंकि कहे जाते थे, उसका कॉम्बिनेशन है. They are not making films where it is not any kind of entertainment or it's a pure documentation kind of a thing. The subjects are very, very interesting and also realistic. So I feel art film were not art, तो सब कुछ art है, commercial film भी art है. मैं उसको बोलूँगी अब art films are more realistic at that time, and the other films were over the top because people wanted to see over the top things also, है ना. So now it's very interesting because जब मैंने सांस बनाया था तो मेरा पहली बार किसी ने इतना रियलिस्टिक काम किया था. दैट इज़ व्हाट पीपल यूज्ड टू से अबाउट सांस. स्टोरी क्या थी? कुछ भी नहीं थी, एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल था, बस कुछ भी नहीं था, बट द ट्रीटमेंट वाज रियल. सो नाउ इवन इन फिल्म्स, even in OTT web series and all, it's all a lot of reality is there. A lot of real drama is there. I think that is the difference. That's why we are all enjoying doing it.
Totally. And Shayani and Mithila, to you, they say, na, we actually are just people who are benefiting from the legacy. People like Neena ji have, left for us. And going forward, you will leave a legacy. But are you seeing the way the female characters are being written? Do you think this just could be a phase, but do you feel it's just going to gain momentum in the times to come?
I think it's progressing in the right direction, but we have a long way to go because, it's really heartbreaking as to how much talent we have in the country and how much talent, generally actors and especially women actors, like actresses, if you had to look around, like from our theatre circuit to my friends from FTI, there are so many women who are amazing actors and from all age groups. But you see the number of parts that are being written for them, and it's so sad that, you don't have a narrative that supports women of a certain age. Why do you not female friendships? Like, FOMO Shots, for example. I mean, sorry, it's a Netflix show. I'm talking about another, but
it was a character you found difficult to get under the skin of because you couldn't relate to her.
No, I mean, no, it's not really. But it's, I mean, when you talk about female bonding and female friendship, there are not many series or films in the mainstream, right? And I really find it unbelievable that you don't see a series or a film about women in their 60s, women in their 50s. Why do you not have that anymore, Why do you
Neena
not...
ji started that trend actually, but I hear she's headlining.
हाँ नहीं, मैं तो अभी शुरू किया बचपन में, अभी तो इसकी उम्र की हूँ इनायत की. नहीं, I'll tell her कि why. क्योंकि हमारी सोसाइटी में भी औरत जब 30-35 इवन 40 के बाद उसका रोल क्या है? वो बच्चे बड़े हो गए, बच्चों का वो करो, इन लॉज की कोई ना कोई बीमार हो ही जाते हैं, बूढ़े लोग उनकी सेवा करो, ये होता है उसका काम. तो इसमें कैसे रोल बनाएंगे? हमारी सोसाइटी में ही औरत का रोल आफ्टर बच्चे पैदा करना बहुत कम है. हम तो हम लोगों को माइनॉरिटी कहती हूँ. हम लोग माइनॉरिटी हैं जो हम ऐसे बोलते हैं, ऐसे कपड़े पहनते हैं, स्लीवलेस पहनते हैं, बड़ी बड़ी बातें करते हैं. बाकी लोग तो अभी वही हैं. वो बोलेगी कि आज मेरी नीस को उसकी सास बोलती कि तू अपने कमरे में साईं बाबा क्यों लगाया, क्योंकि हम नहीं मानते, मत लगाओ. ये है हम आज.
But Neena ji, I just went, I went to meet my friends and I met the mothers, my friends' mothers' friend group, friends group. They're all in their 60s. They are friends since they were in school. So they have been friends for the last 50 years. And each one of them, I spent a whole day with them, each one of them had such interesting life stories, very, very interesting. And then I was like, oh my God, like, can you please write about this and can we please like adapt it? Because you have so many different interesting stories, but in the mainstream when you see, वही ना, वही दोस्त है, गर्लफ्रेंड है, नहीं तो माँ है, और माँ भी एक टाइप की माँ है. तो आप मतलब आपके पास ग्रेडेशन है ही नहीं, आपके पास you don't have variety in the roles you see for women, so which is what is extremely sad. But I feel again, thanks
आ रहा
to
है.
It's happening. I
thanks
feel
to
like
the choices women are also making, actors are making, and now I think actors are putting their foot down. So if something comes to Nina ji or Mithila or people like us, you would also say ki boss, this is not sounding right, this is not reading right, can you please change this to make it a little more realistic? So I think we've also actively taken part in changing this narrative.
Absolutely.
yeah, I mean,
Mithila, you were saying something.
No, I was saying exactly. Yes, I am fully in sync with what these ladies are saying, and I also think cinema in general has changed. Right, the narrative of cinema has become more inspirational than aspirational. So I think, especially women-centric films will take a while to get there, because I think what we were talking about, the issues we were talking about in Damini, we are still dealing with them even today. Right, so it's still taken so many years and we are still talking about the same things, and then to add to
तारीख ही बदली है.
हाँ
तो
बस
कुछ नहीं हुआ.
तो उसके लिए तो बहुत आगे like she said जाना है, लेकिन हो रहा है,
सही.
that is for sure.
Totally true.
अब देखो
इनायत, आप बताओ,
इनायत
आप-
भी है, देखो इनायत से शुरू होगा
बताओ।
चेंज.
मुझे क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पता
हाँ।
क्या है.
आप कौन सा चेंज देखना चाहते हो, और आपको लगता है जो बच्चों के लिए आजकल रोल्स आते हैं वो पहले से बेटर हैं?
अच्छा,
जैसे
अभी
आपके पास
आजकल आते हैं.
हाँ,
हाँ,
पहले के मैंने देखी नहीं, पहले के कौन से रोज होते थे बच्चों के.
ये
आपने पहले
अभी
के-
अभी नहीं, ये छोटी है.
कि मतलब
हाँ,
बहुत
question
छोटी
क्या
है. मगर आपको कैसा रोल प्ले करना चाहते हो आप?
मैंने आपको बताया तो कि विच बनना चाहती हूँ. एक वो पिछले
हाँ,
इंटरव्यू
पिछले
में बताया
में
था,
बताया.
मैं विच बनना
मुझे
चाहती
नहीं
हूँ.
बताया था विच, मुझे नहीं बताया था विच बनना
मैं
चाहते
विच
हो.
बनना चाहती हूँ हॉलीवुड फिल्म में, और इसमें ये मेरी मम्मा बनेंगे.
प्रॉमिस है, मेरे को लेके जाएगी.
हम आपकी हाँ, हम दोनों सिस्टर्स बनेंगे. चलो, हमें तो रोल मिल गया.
चलो, आपका हो गया.
और मैं शाहरुख खान सर के साथ कोई भी मूवी कर लूंगी, कोई भी.
भाई उसमें भी हमें ले लेना प्लीज.
आपको पता है ना, शाइनी दीदी को शाहरुख खान बहुत पसंद है.
मुझे भी मैंने सारी मूवीज देखी होंगी, ऑलमोस्ट सारी.
और आपको पता है ना, नीना जी ऋतिक रोशन के साथ काम करना चाहते हैं, वो भी जुगाड़ कर दो आप सबके लिए यहाँ.
हाँ, मेरा बड़ा मन है, जैसे तुम्हें शाहरुख के साथ करना है वैसे मुझे ऋतिक रोशन के साथ करना है.
ठीक है, वो
दिलवाओगी?
नहीं, वो एक ऐड कर रहे हैं ना अभी, वो वाली एक वो आ रहा है, एक ऐप, उसका नाम नहीं लूंगी, वो एक ऐप है उसमें ऐड कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें ना आप वो बच्चे बन के वो वाला कर लेना उनके साथ.
पर मैं तो बच्ची नहीं, तो बुढ़ी हूँ.
अरे बड़े भी करते हैं ना कुछ लोग, तो आप
अच्छा।
उसमें वो ऐड का वो.
अच्छा, मुझे बाद में बता देना. हाँ,
ठीक.
हाँ, ठीक.
बस आपका शाहरुख खान ऋतिक रोशन के साथ. मिथिला, अगर आपकी कोई विश है वो भी पूरी कर देगी ना.
आपको
रणबीर कपूर को ढूंढ लेना मेरे लिए.
ठीक, मैं अभी उनके साथ एक मूवी.
अरे क्या बात कर रही हो, तो फिर पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? मैं आ जाती हूँ आपके सेट पे.
अभी आ जाओ, पूरी
अभी मैं
कंप्लीट
चली
नहीं
जाऊंगी.
हुई.
थैंक्स फॉर ब्रिंगिंग दिस अप.
हाँ,
क्या आपको,
इधर
आप
casting हो
तीनों
चुकी
को
है
अपने फेवरेट्स के साथ रोल मिल गए हैं. बट नीना जी, another thing, start with you. You had said that just because of the kind of person you are in real life, who has always stood by her decisions, her choices, embraced them, good or bad or whatever. I mean, up to, we all take decisions. You were labeled as a brave person. और brave जो होती है ना रियल लाइफ में, आपने खुद कहा था, उसको बड़े स्ट्रॉन्ग वुमन को नेगेटिव रोल मिलते हैं. उस टाइम में ambition was seen as bad. If you're, but now you have redefined brave. You think that has now changed. And what is the bravest thing you have ever done as an actor?
bravest thing as an actor.
Yeah, and also, do you think that perceptions are now changing?
No, it's not changing. It's not changing. वो जो change है वो छोटा मोटा है. It's not changing really. अभी भी सब वैसे ही है. I mean, देखो, एक तो ये बात है कि मेरी उम्र के लोग हीरो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन मुझे दादी के रोल मिलते हैं, है ना. और अब मैं ये अगर कहूँ तो लोग मुझे बुरा समझते हैं, बुरा मानते हैं. मे बी मेल एक्टर्स बुरा मानेंगे या कोई और बुरा मानेगा कि तो फिर अपने आप को क्या समझती हो? भाई मैं तो वही समझती हूँ जो तुम अपने आप को समझते हो। और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि मैं बहुत मोटी हो गई, मेरी तोंद निकल आई या मेरी ज़्यादा झुर्रियाँ आ गई। मतलब मेरे से ज़्यादा झुर्रियों वाले लोग हीरो करते हैं, है ना? तो ये मुझे बड़ी तकलीफ होती है ये। पर ये है सो है, अब मैं इसको लेके रोती नहीं हूँ, जो मिल रहा है कर रही हूँ, है ना? और अच्छा मिल रहा है तो इसलिए उसके लिए रोने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। अभी मैं सोच के बताती हूँ सबसे ज़्यादा ब्रेव एक्टिंग में क्या। हाँ सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग जो मैंने, और उसमें बहुत मेहनत और बहुत तकलीफ़, फिज़िकल तकलीफ़ मुझे मिली, जो अभी नेटफ्लिक्स में ही आ रहा है, सरदार का ग्रैंडसन, वो रोल। उसमें मेरी प्रोस्थेटिक्स थे, बहुत ठंड थी पटियाला में, और वो लगा रहता था 12-12, 15-15 घंटे ठंड में, वो जम जाता था पूरा। और रात में शूटिंग होती थी, बेचारे यहाँ खुले में खेत के वहाँ, यहाँ वहाँ सब हीटर लगा के देते थे हमको प्रोडक्शन वाले। फिर फिर खूब सारे कंबल ओढ़ती थी, शॉट के टाइम सब कंबल निकालो। मतलब आई थिंक दैट वाज अ वेरी टफ थिंग टू डू। Yeah.
Shahini and Mithila, I want to ask you, Nina. Nina ji ne bhi jaise kaha, Vidya Balan also said that when she would read narrations, and she would always want to do the part that the hero was assigned to, like, why not me? Do you feel does that happen to you also? Ki, why not me? I mean, or do you think parts likhe ja rahe hain where it's meatier than, say, the hero?
Actually, some of the parts I've played have been more interesting than the hero's part, honestly. But it's not in every role, obviously. But my thing is that I don't want to play the hero's part because that's not interesting enough. But I definitely want to play the protagonist, not necessarily the hero. You know what I'm saying? And sometimes in the narrative, and in fact, when you read the script or in meetings, people will say, "Oh, this is a great part. Just like a man would. Like what you're saying, like the hero's part." I'm like, no, but I'm not interested in playing a part which is like a man, because I'm a woman, and the woman in this, given situation and scenario, she would be way smarter, more skilled than a man would be, because women are generally smarter as a breed. You're genuinely like sharper, and if you're playing a manipulative woman also, the manipulation that a woman would come up with will be way more nuanced than a man can ever imagine. So it's not I'm not going after the alpha hero kind of. It has to be nuanced, it has to be layered, and honestly, it doesn't matter. For me, at least, I don't think it's a bigger part or a smaller part. It has to be a nuanced part. It has to have enough for me to explore something new as an actor. That's how I see it. But definitely, we're talking about different things. Like Nina ji was saying that, I mean, the comparison is only different because you're always seen as a woman. You're always seen as the lesser being, and that's in the writing. वो आप जब स्क्रिप्ट लिखते हैं उसी में आ रहा है, आप मतलब शूटिंग तक तो काफ़ी कुछ बदल जाता है, it's not even in your control anymore, Why is it that women who are beyond, post 40 only, they'll be, the mothers? Why?
But Badhai Ho is a very good example
Exactly.
of
So that took
a big change.
Yeah, and a huge change, and it broke the mold.
And people liked
so
it.
Beautiful.
And people liked it. That's very important.
Yeah, exactly. And that's what it was. It's so refreshing, right? And the little, like the whole romance between you and Gajraj sir's, the characters, it's like I'm still getting gooseflesh. Like, it's so beautifully written and performed. And even the mother-in-law's character in that, again, it's in the writing because the characters are so interesting. And then you cast actors who really make it like marinated and, make it so beautiful to watch. But why don't we have more Badhaihos? Actually, their characters were much more interesting than Ayushmann and Sania's characters.
Totally.
So you need more writing of that caliber, which is what is not happening.
Little bit हो रहा है. हाँ, little bit.
Netflix में हमने देखा त्रिभंग, we saw मिथिला की last देखी है त्रिभंग, we saw that. We are seeing Bombay Begum, so we are seeing that happening.
Yeah, definitely. I don't mean to speak on Nina ji's behalf because she is she is an inspiration to all of us. Like we know कि हाँ काम तो करेंगे और आगे जाके भी काम करेंगे. I feel like to call it brave is trivializing what she does, because that's something that these opportunities should be available for all of us. Like it shouldn't be like, oh, she's the flag bearer of change and that is brave. You know, calling it brave is going to, like, you dial it down. What she is doing is something that should be normalized, you know. So that needs to happen. Fortunately, everything that I have done so far, I haven't felt belittled by like the male characters, because I've had enough and more to do alongside all the male characters. I did Tribhang, which was a story of all about all women. So there is change. It is happening. We're all part of it, and we'll make it happen. But it's going to be a very slow process.
एक पिक्चर में मैंने काम किया था, तो मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना कर, तब सिर्फ फिल्म्स थी, देयर वाज नो टेलीविजन, देयर वाज नो OTT, तो फिल्म्स थी. सो आई यूज्ड टू गेट वन सर्वेंट्स रोल और वन दिस रोल. So one role I had done where I used to pray to God that it should never be released. I was so ashamed of it. There was a gang of bikharis in the film which had nothing much to do with the main this thing. So I was one of the bikharis like that. पीछे कहीं एक मुझे लगा कुछ लाइंस बोलनी है तो मैं दिखा दूंगी. मेरी लाइन सब कट गई. It was so embarrassing. एंड आई यूज्ड टू प्रे कि ये रिलीज ना हो. ऐसे बड़ा होता था पहले. लाइक यू आर सेइंग ना कि यू आर फॉर्चुनेट नाउ थिंग, पर हमारे टाइम में कुछ नहीं होता था. तो जो एक हीरोइन है, हीरो है, विलन है, और एक जो कॉमेडियन है, शक्ति कपूर थी उसमें, उसके पीछे एक गैंग में मैं एक भिखारन हूँ. मतलब ओहो हो ऐसे बहुत चीज़ें मैंने की. पर देखो टाइम आ गया ना.
Okay, totally. And Inayat is going to lead. So जाते जाते last words from Inayat. ऐसा कौन सा change आप देखना चाहते हो?
किस चीज में?
या करना चाहते हो? जैसे
क्या change?
फिल्मों में क्या change देखना चाहते हो आप? या क्या change की आपकी wish है? आगे जाके क्या करना चाहते हो? मुझे पता है which play करना चाहते हो. But ऐसी
मैं क्या change करना चाहती हूँ बाकियों के roles में?
हाँ.
कि मैं जब मेरी इसी के कारण ऑनलाइन भी एक इंटरव्यू थी ना, उन्होंने भी बोला था, तो उन्होंने बोला कि जैसे अभी वुमेन्स है तो आप कैसा रोल प्ले करना चाहते हो, अगर आपको मिले एक वर्किंग वुमन या नॉर्मल ऐसे वाली. तो अभी ज़्यादातर ऐसे वाली मिलती है ना रोल ज़्यादा सबको. तो ऐसे वाली नहीं कि ऐसे या ऐसे वाली नहीं, थोड़ी वो वर्किंग की अपना एक वो आइडेंटिटी हो ना, वैसी वाली.
चलो our future is looking bright.
अरे यार ऐसे मैं बकवास कर रही थी.
आइडेंटिटी वाली, ओके, कोट अनकोट
वाली.
ऐसे एक बार फिर से बताना, ऐसी वाली बताना.
ऐसे तो ऐसे यार.
इनायत, आप जैसे शालिनी दीदी ने सही कहा था, आप एक स्कूल शुरू कर दो, हम सब आएंगे वहाँ.
माता इनायत की.
माता इनायत.
Thank you so much, ladies and
Thank
little
you,
one.
Pooja.
I mean, our future looks bright.
Yeah.
And thank you all for paving the way and making us enjoy the movies, and just continue being the way you are, because we get inspired by you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pooja.
Every day is the Women's Day.
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. Take care.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye.